Hi students, today we are going to do some more complex numbers. We did how to find the square root of a complex numbers in various conditions. Let us go for some more problems. The first problem is if z1 equal to 2 comma minus 1 problem. If z1 equal to 2 comma minus 1, z2 equal to 6 comma 3, 6 comma 3. Now we are going to find z1 minus z2. Find z1 minus z2 value. Listen, I have already told you every order pair can be written as a complex number. Every complex number can be written as a ordered pair. Understand? Listen, in the same way, now z1 can be taken as 2 comma minus 1. This is nothing but 2 minus 1i, 2 minus I. z2 equal to 6 comma 3, 6 plus I3 or 3i. Consider z1 minus z2 or z1 plus z2. We should find in the same way. 2 minus I, 6 plus 3i. Open the bracket. 2 minus I minus 6 minus 3i. 2 minus 6 how much? Minus 4. Minus I minus 3i minus 4y. It can be written as an order pair. Minus 4 comma minus 4. Understand? Let us go for one more question. Find the additive inverse of. We are going to find the additive inverse of 2 comma 1 into minus 4 comma 6. Find the additive inverse of a question as like this: 2 comma 1 into minus 4 comma 6 into minus 4 comma 6, product of the complex numbers. Listen, it can be taken as, consider 2 comma 1 into minus 4 comma 6. It can be taken as a complex number 2 plus I into minus 4 plus 6i. Now open the brackets. 2 into 4 minus 8, 2 into 6 12i, I into minus 4 minus I into 6 6i. What will come here? Listen, one thing see here. Minus 8, 12i, minus 4i, I into I square, 6i square. It can be written as minus 8, okay, 14. This is 8i, 6i square. I square is minus 1 plus I square minus 1. Understand? This can be written as minus 8, 8i minus 6 minus 14 plus 8i. We are going to find its additive inverse of this value. Its additive inverse is additive inverse is what will come here? Minus 14 means take plus 14 opposite sign, plus 8i means minus 8i. Therefore, it can be written as 14 comma minus 8. So, it means the additive inverse of the given question is 14 comma minus 8. Understand? Okay. Now, the another question, if z1 equal to 6 comma 3. Another question. z1 equal to 6 comma 3. Okay. Next, z2 equals to 2 comma minus 1. So we are going to find z1 by z2 value. Understand? We are going to find the value of z1 by z2. Understand? Okay? Now, as like this, listen. First of all, consider z1 equal to 6 comma 3, nothing but 6 plus 3i. Understand? z2 equal to 2 comma minus 1, 2 minus I. Now, we are going to find the value of z1 by z2. It is nothing but 6 plus 3i by 2 minus I. Listen, one important thing in complex numbers. If any imaginary part value is there in denominator, we must and should conjugate the denominator as like this. Listen. 6 plus 3i by 2 minus I. What is the conjugation of denominator? 2 plus I. Divide and multiplied by 2 plus I as like this. Understand? Now, it can be taken as like this. In numerator, open the brackets. Understand? As like this, we have to open the brackets as 6 into 2, 12. Plus 6 into I, 6i. 3 into 2, 6i. 3i into I, 3i square by denominator. A plus b into a minus b form a square minus b square I square. Listen, in numerator 12, 6i plus 6i, 12i, 3 into I square value, minus 1, by 4 into I square value, minus 1 again. Numerator 12 plus 12i minus 3 by 4 plus 1. Now what will come in numerator? 12 minus 3. 9 real parts plus 12i by 5. Split the fraction and separate the real and imaginary parts. What will come here? 9 by 5 plus 12 by 5 I. This is nothing but as an order pair 9 by 5 comma 12 by 5. Understand? Okay? Now, the next problem we are going to do as like this. The next question is, if z equals to, the next question, if z equal to cos theta comma sin theta, z equals to cos theta comma sin theta, okay, find z minus 1 by z value. Understand? Let us see what will come this value, okay. Now, according to the question, what is given? Cos theta comma sin theta as an order pair. Understand? So, given z equals to cos theta comma sin theta, it can be taken as cos theta plus I sin theta. So, now 1 by z can be taken as 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta. So, conjugate the denominator. 1 by cos theta plus sin theta I sin theta, its conjugation is cos theta minus I sin theta by cos theta minus I sin theta. So, the numerator take as it is, like this, cos theta minus I sin theta. What about the denominator? Denominator in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square cos theta square b square I sin theta whole square. It can be taken as cos theta minus I sin theta by, okay, this is nothing but cos theta square cos square theta minus I square minus 1 minus minus plus. What is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta? 1, neglected value. What will come here? Cos theta minus I sin theta. Since cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So, we are going to find the value of z minus 1 by z. What is z value? Cos theta plus I sin theta. Take 1 by z value minus cos theta minus I sin theta. Open the bracket. Cos theta plus I sin theta. Now, open the bracket, minus cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta get cancelled. What will come? 0 plus 2I sin theta. It can be written as 0 comma, this is nothing but 0 plus 2 sin theta, I into 2 sin theta. Okay? This can be written as an order pair, as like this, 0 comma 2 sin theta. this is the value of z minus 1 by z. Understand? The remaining we should do in the next class.